Are you struggling with affiliate marketing or maybe just online business in general? Well, the reason why is because you don't have the framework or the mindset. And in this video, I'm going to review Legendary Marketer, and that's the framework, the mindset, the program, the training, everything in one. And we're getting started right now. Hey, Thomas Garrett's here. Thanks for tuning in. So if you're new on this channel, what we do is everything affiliate marketing, make money online. And if that's the kind of content you like, go down below, hit that subscribe button, join the fam, but make sure you hit that notification bell too so you get notified every time I upload. Now, Legendary Marketer, the review. The truth about Legendary Marketer, okay? The truth is, if you're promoting something else, you're insane. And that's not just because I'm promoting it, but that's just the truth. Okay, I made a little thing right here. It's just why Legendary. It's just some quick little bullet points about this, and I'm gonna go on each point and then show you where it is and how it works, okay? So first of all, the main thing is they have an amazing value ladder. And what that means is it has front-end products, and then you ascend up the ladder. So you go low ticket, mid ticket, high ticket, and then you got, some continuity in there, but mostly it's high ticket is what you want to focus on. But to get people to spend high ticket, you have to get them in the door with front-end offers or low ticket, whatever you want to call it. And if you have no idea what Legendary Marketer is, it's a platform that has the most insane, epic training on the marketplace, okay? And it teaches you everything you need to know. And it doesn't just teach you affiliate marketing, although in my opinion, that's your best bet, because with affiliate marketing, you can promote Legendary. And really, that's not like their main goal is to be like, oh, just promote us, right? Like throughout the training and everything, they never once say promote Legendary Marketer. Unless that's what you want, they don't tell you to do that. They're trying to help you win by giving you the resources, the framework, the mindset, everything, right? And they teach you it in such an amazing way. Okay, so the value ladder, right? The main product is the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. Okay, and every day another one gets unlocked. I think like the first 3 or 4, I forget, but the first few are going to be unlocked automatically. And then how it works is you get to call your coach. You get a free coach, all right, a free business plan advisor just for joining. Did I mention that it's $7 to get started? Anyways, you go through this, and honestly, if you've never done anything online, this is the best way to get started, bar none, like legit. If I had started with this, I would have saved myself thousands and thousands of dollars, hundreds of hours of time, and just so much frustration, honestly. And the main thing that I really like about it is they teach you more than just the mindset, right? The mindset is the most important, right? But they give you actionable tips and tell you exactly what to do. And then if you want, they have products and systems in place to help you get started with everything you want. Okay, so that's the main thing, right? You got to get in the door, you have to learn, and you have to have your mind right. If your mind's not right, you won't win. Simple as that, okay? So let's go back to this little thing. So what's the next thing? So that's what I was talking about, the low, mid, high ticket, and continuity. So this would be considered low ticket. And then they have, like, David Sharp has his book. He's the founder and CEO. He's right here. He actually teaches the 15-day challenge. He's paid out something like $150 million in commissions for affiliate commissions for Legendary, just saying. So anyway, so then for products, they got the Marketers Club, and this is my favorite product, okay? You don't need to pay for this, but this is what's called continuity. It's $30 a month, so it's considered continuity because you get paid every single month. And what it is, it's just another training, right? But this is stuff that you will not find anywhere on the internet. Look at this. They got people like Kevin Harrington, Mark Harbert, Nathan Lucas. Like, they got the straight beasts in the game. And I don't even want to know, like, how much he had to pay to get this stuff. He probably didn't pay because he's a beast, right? I'm sure they did this for free because he's an amazing marketer and he has relationships, and that's just how it works. But just think, if he had to pay these people, how much it would have costed. You know what I mean? So to have this all in one place. And you know Kevin Harrington's the guy from Shark Tank, right? He was an original shark on Shark Tank. Okay, so just so you know, like, to the extent of this training, It's not just like, oh, thrown together BS training, right? Like this is a legitimate company. And there's so many people out there, oh, Legendary is a scam. They just want you to promote them. Like not once in the training did they say promote Legendary. Not once. Okay, go through it yourself if you don't believe me. First link in the description. So anyways, let's go back to this now. So what's the next one? The next one is they have forever cookies, okay? So for example, what that means is if you were to go down below to the first link in the description and get started with the $7 Business Builder Challenge, right? Even if you don't purchase anything else for a year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, and then you go and buy the $15,000 coaching program or whatever, I would get the commission for that because you are cookie to me forever, right? It's insane. You can find some other programs like ClickFunnels has a sticky cookie, right? But it's if you click someone else's link, you're then cookie to them. So it's a little different, right? And this is stuck like forever, right? Like there's no like stealing people's affiliates. Like that stuff's not cool, right? So this is very, very important and it's amazing, right? So then the next one, I think I talked about it. So you get your free business plan advisor. And how it works is when you're going through your challenge, we'll go back here. It says like right here, claim your free bonuses, scripts, and templates, right? It's just more free bonuses that you get for joining this. You don't just join for $7 and get this amazing challenge. You get this amazing challenge and you get a bunch of bonuses and you get a free coach, okay? A mentor, someone to help you and guide you. Okay, so at first I was a little nervous to like get on the phone, right? But if you want to win, getting on the phone is nothing. That's the least you got to worry about. I'm not telling you that this is easy, okay? It's simple. It's very simple, especially with Legendary. They make it as simple as humanly possible. However, it's not easy. You have to punch fear in the face and just do it. Who cares? You're getting on the phone. You do that all the time. But like I said, I was a little nervous. I'm not going to lie. But after I did it, not only did I feel better, I enjoyed it, right? And they help you and guide you along the way. And that brings me into the next one, okay? So they have an entire team of sales associates. So for example, once you are cookie to me and you go into the training, they do the selling, right? They're gonna guide you. They're gonna suggest products, right? So that's the amazing part about this. All those other high ticket or affiliate programs out there, you gotta send the traffic. You gotta sell the people. You gotta do this. You gotta do that and everything else, right? But here at Legendary, you send the traffic, they close the leads. You understand how powerful that is? It's so insane and unheard of. The fact that I waited this long is a little upsetting, I'm not gonna lie. But my point is, they do the heavy lifting. They truly do, and they just want you to win. They really just want you to win. So anyways, the last one is the multiple streams of income. So we'll go to the affiliates real quick. And this is the back office. And how it works is you sign up for an e-wallet. That's how you're going to actually get paid. And then they have the funnels right here that you can promote. They don't have a ton of funnels. They keep it really simple. So you can see the funnels right here. It's just the business challenge, the 15-day challenge, and financial stress, marketers club, which is the $30 continuity, and then the book, which is the free book funnel for David Sharp's book. Not only do these funnels just convert like crazy because they've seriously probably split tested it 1,000 times and just perfected it, just the sheer epicness of this program and the funnels and the training. I mean, it's so insane, right? And the most amazing part about it is, I don't talk about this stuff a lot, but David Sharp, right? He went through addiction with heroin. He got hepatitis C. It's terrible stuff. But the crazy thing is, that's my exact story, right? And I don't talk about it much, especially not on YouTube. For all I know, the algorithm's gonna cut me down for saying that word. Like, and I don't like talking about it, but I think it's important for me to talk about it. Because for me, when I first discovered like this online stuff, I think it was like Gary V or someone, but I was strung out. Like I was hopeless. I was depressed, right? And it was like, I didn't take action that day, obviously, but the thought, it gave me like, it made me realize that there's another way, right? And it took me a little while to get clean. It It's not just like, boom, there's another way, I'm cured, right? But the point of this is that to me, it made me feel like a deeper connection to this. And besides all that stuff, Dave Sharp is just one of the best marketers out there. He's sold hundreds of millions of dollars. He built an amazing company from the ground up. He went through struggles with addiction. He dropped out of school in 9th grade. He became a father at 16. Like, that's the type of person I want to be partnered with, okay? And again, if you don't want to join Legendary, that's totally fine. But you want to be an entrepreneur, or maybe you're struggling and you want to find the right way. This is it. It's right in front of your face. Seriously, it's that simple. All you have to do is go through the challenge and you will have complete clarity. You will know exactly what you need to do, and you will have all the tools ready to go. And this training in here, it's, like I said, it's epic. You can't find this stuff anywhere else. So did I go through all those? Okay, so the multiples, I got a little sidetracked there. But anyways, the multiple streams of income. Okay, so we go here and then the streams of income. You can pay to be a pro affiliate. It's like $30, right? It's nothing. And you get higher percentage for some stuff, and you get multiple streams of income. Okay? What that means is throughout their products and their trainings, they will suggest certain tools. It's just the tools you need to run an online business. This being ClickFunnels to build your pages, and an email autoresponder to collect and send emails, right? So it's two very, very important tools, and I always have them in my description. However, going through this training, they suggest them for you. And when I first started, I'm like, dang, I'm going to send the leads and then they're going to just take the commissions for that. I was like, that's messed up, right? Until I finished the training. I became an affiliate and I saw this. So I go in here, I'm like, extra income. So how it works is you put in your affiliate links. First, you obviously become affiliates to ClickFunnels, GetResponse, and Aweber. They're not allowing SendLane to accept new affiliates at the time, but this would be the other one. However, you put your affiliate link in here, okay? And then they have the cookie for your leads going to their website. So when they sign up for something, they connect it with my name or your name, whoever they're cookied to, and then you get the credit for them signing them up. So they're doing even more heavy lifting for you. There is no platform that will do this for you. It is insane to me. When I found this out, I'm like, I'm done. Like, I'm all in. I was already all in. I've been all in. Like, this changed everything for me. And the truth about Legendary Marketer is it's the greatest platform, the greatest training I've ever seen. And it's amazing. So the last thing I'm going to show you is just the start here part of the affiliate tabs. And this is even more training right here. This is the welcome and overview, 4 videos. Sales funnel setup, what is that, 8, 9 videos, something like that? Yeah, 9 videos. They have email marketing and automation. That's like another 9 videos. They have running Facebook ads for Legendary. That's looks like 10 videos. No, 9 videos. Whatever, but a ton of videos. And then over here, they got course resources. Okay, so for literally $7, you get the challenge. For $30, you get all those insane Legendary Marketer interviews, right? And then just for being an affiliate, you get all this. And then they have the high ticket stuff, which I haven't personally purchased yet, but I will be in the next few days. And I'm super excited about it. It's $2,500 for what I want. And the reason why it's so amazing, and you would not believe it if you didn't see it, but when you make enough commissions to cover it, they give you 2 years. I think it was 10 people. I forget. I was watching the webinar, but it was like either 5 or 10 people signed up, something like that. I forget the number. Don't quote me on it. It was some super small number. They will pay you the $2,500 back, right? They will give you that money back. Can you believe that? It's literally a free investment, okay? And if you don't like it, you can return everything, okay? So there's no risk at all. And they stand by that. They're not trying to hurt you or take anything from you. And if you don't have the money, don't buy it, right? I'm not telling you to go spend money you don't have. But everyone always has more than they think. You have to be resourceful. It's from like Tony Robbins, right? It's not a lack of resources. It's a lack of resourcefulness, right? That's the problem. It's not a lack of resources. It's a lack of resourcefulness. But anyways, if you want to get started with Legendary Marketer, my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online, first link in the description. I highly, highly recommend checking it out. Okay, there's no risk, like I said, at all. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments down below. Make sure to check these videos out if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and growing your online business. And if you hit my face right here, you'll subscribe to the channel. And that's all I got. Till next time.